Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change font in Google Keep. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Google Keep app. Make sure you have already downloaded Google Keep app on your device. But unfortunately you cannot change font from Google Keep. For that you need to go to browser. Before that, let me copy this sentence. And now go to the Chrome browser and here search for bold text generator. And now let me go to second link. You can choose any of it. Now here on type, paste your text here in this box. Paste your sentence and tap on done. So here you can see a list. You can select any of this. Here on output box you can see how it is changing your font. So let me select this one and then tap on copy. You have copied successfully. Now go to your Google Keep Notes and here paste it. So you can see your font has been successfully changed. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.